The Metaverse, a network of 3D virtual worlds that was previously only an abstract idea, is currently being created. Yes, a lot of the science fiction films we used to watch are now reality, and like the majority of tech aficionados, you probably can't wait to see what the future holds for us. The Metaverse is a virtual environment where people can interact, work, and play, and it is similar to the actual world in many ways. But all of these activities will also be very dissimilar from what we are accustomed to. So, are you thinking about applying for a job in the Metaverse, or are you just interested in what the occupations of the future might entail? Here are the 8 Metaverse jobs you can make money in future. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 8. Metaverse Store Guides. Not least, but by no means least, we want to talk about the potential for Metaverse store guides. The tourism industry is one of the biggest ones nowadays. It seems to reason that there will be just as much to discover in the Metaverse. When you initially enter Metaverse, the Metaverse store guides should be your first port of call. Like today's tour guides, they will have a considerable understanding of this new world. Additionally, they will assist you in finding what you're seeking and navigating this novel, thrilling environment. Number 7. Augmented and virtual reality engineers. Let's not overlook those who will lay the foundation for creating the Metaverse. The demand for AR and VR engineers has sharply increased as a result of the Metaverse and recent technological developments, and that's just the beginning. It follows that without AR and VR software experts, it will be difficult to create the hundreds of new software applications and platforms needed for Metaverse. Anyone who wishes to operate in this profession would undoubtedly need substantial technical training and expertise. Number 6. Chief Virtual Officer. Chief Virtual Officers, or CVOs, will be executives with knowledge of virtual realities and expertise in them. Their key duties will be advising businesses on how to effectively represent their brand in virtual reality. A wonderful illustration of how businesses will profit from virtual goods is Gucci, which has already sold its first handbag on the online gaming platform Roblox for about $4,000 more than it would have cost in the real world. Extensive executive experience, leadership abilities, and a profound understanding of virtual reality and the entire digital ecosystem are all prerequisites for this position. Number 5. Metaverse World Planners. The Metaverse, as we've already said, will be a universe that replicates our own. There will therefore be a ton of specifics to plan. The tiniest elements, like creating avatars, to more complex requirements, like the rules for using Metaverse as a platform for your business, will all demand careful thought. Comprehensive plans for creating and employing functionality for enterprises in this virtual environment will be created by Metaverse planners. For this role, software industry project management experience is a plus. Number 4. Metaverse Cybersecurity. Even now, it might be difficult to protect yourself online. With Metaverse, hackers will be in their element. The next level of cybersecurity will be required by Metaverse to guard against cyber attacks, data breaches, cyber thefts, and other related problems. To defend the system against intrusions, cybersecurity specialists in the Metaverse will work in real time. They are responsible for identifying, evaluating, and preventing fraud, theft, and data breaches. To assist safeguard the safety of the Metaverse, this new profession will not only include adhering to safety regulations, but also developing new applications and systems. You'll need some experience with programming and standard cybersecurity to become an expert in the Metaverse. Number 3. Metaverse Marketer. There will be marketers who only work with ads in the Metaverse, just as there are marketers who are experts in social network marketing. Every brand needs to promote its products and use both online and offline marketing to compete and make a profit. In the Metaverse, nothing will change. It's not entirely apparent yet what a Metaverse marketer will do. Advertising in virtual reality won't be as straightforward as simply purchasing a banner on a website, unlike ads on the internet or social media. To successfully implement marketing tactics in virtual reality, Metaverse marketers will need to be knowledgeable about digital marketing, have creative abilities, and be familiar with the Web 3.0 environment. Number 2. Metaverse computer scientist. Scientists still have a lot to learn about the universe after thousands of years of research. After all, our insatiable curiosity about how human progress is driven by how things work. Scientists will be required to explore and maximize the metaverse potential because it will be a brand new type of cosmos. But if everything in the real world is governed by physics, then everything in the virtual world is governed by ones and zeros. To determine how far XR can advance, researchers in the metaverse will look at those and zeros. Although there are already academics and researchers who focus on R and VR, the metaverse, as an XR, will require a lot more proficiency in both fields to function successfully. Number 1. Metaverse world designers. A virtual world that is a mirror image of reality is called the metaverse, giving individuals the chance to do things inside that they would not be able to do outside, like visiting museums in various countries, going to concerts, studying at universities, conducting business online, and much more is the major goal of it. Like popular games, the metaverse will need a first-rate user interface and experience to entice users to its world. Future metaverse designers will require in-depth expertise in 3D design, UI/UX design, game design, and other design disciplines. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.